Let's look at conditional if statements quickly. So here I have taken a equals to b, a equals to 10 and b equals to 5. So if a equals to 10, print hello world. So it should print, right? If a equals to 10 and b equals to 5, print hello world. Which is a equals to 5 and b, a equals to 10 and b equals to 5, I should get this. And here the second condition is failing, right? B is not equals to 4, so you should not print this. You can also have more statements. I can say if a equals to 10, print hello world. Then I can have a else statement. Else print hello family. So if I change the a here and a is 9, then it should print hello family. Right? Or I can have nested if statements. If a equals to 10, print hello world. elif b equals to a equals to 9, print hello family. If a equals to 7, print hello community. If a equals to 6, print hello humanity. Okay, so let's run this. Now let's experiment with different a's. A equals to 10 we already seen, 9 we already seen. Okay, let's do a equals to 7 and I should get hello community. Hello community. If I do a equals to 6, hello humanity. I can have conditional statements in the if as well, like if a equals to 0 and b equals to 6, 7, or whole thing or b equals to 6, then print complicated condition. Yeah, I can have all this. So to test this, let's make a equals to 0 and b equals to 8. So we should not print it. If I make it b equals to 7, it will print it. Or equals to, if I make it b equals to 6, also it will print. Okay. That's all I wanted to show you.